ahead. Wow.
So you take a right there. Right here. Yeah. You go all the way down. That's where they give you a briefing of how the chocolates are made.
This is our gift jar of chocolate. You go with my partner, all the second for taste of free samples of chocolate. Okay? Thank you very much.
Hello.
Welcome.
Hi.
Hello everybody.
Hi.
Good morning. Welcome to Mayak Chocolate. My name is Alan and I'm taking a little bit of the cacao.
Okay.
This is the cocoa tree. And this is the cocoa pots. If you never seen the cocoa pots in your life, is this, okay?
Touch it.
Inside the cocoa pots, we have 45 or 50 cocoa beans. This is for make the chocolate.
Okay.
The 50% of the cocoa beans, okay, the half, it's cocoa butter. You can smell it, smell like chocolate, and this is a wonderful cream for your skin, your face, and your lips. Take it, take it. And this is for make the white chocolate too. The other 50% of the cocoa beans, it's cocoa powder.
Nice.
This is for make the dark chocolate and the milk chocolate.
Okay.
Inside the cocoa beans, we have this. This is pure cacao. This is not sweet in absolute, it's bitter, but we use the little parts to make the cacao nibs. This is a good topping for ice cream, yogurt, or cakes.
Nice.
And we don't lose nothing because we use the shell for make tea. The tea of cacao is so good for relax your body. What is the health benefits of the tea, the nibs, the cacao, and the dark chocolate? Reduce cholesterol. It's a #1 in antioxidants. It's good for your memory, prevent diabetes, healthy bones, reduce stress. It's a cardiovascular regulation, and be careful because it's aphrodisiac. Okay?
Ah.
If you like the tour, this is our tip jar. It's so appreciated. And go with my partner in the other side for taste of free samples of chocolate.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
This is where you get free samples.
Okay.
Here.
Try free samples here.
Give me some little chocolate, just stick it one time.
Yummy? Okay. Another sample there.
Now you just try it.
Is that dark?
Yes, dark, white, and
Okay. I do only dark, so it's okay. Good? Is that dark? Okay. Nice. That's nice. Thank you. Okay. So we're gonna watch
All
how.
the machines and all that.
Okay.
They're now labeling them. We probably already made them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. the different flavors, types of white chocolates. Nice. We have milk chocolate here. And that's my favorite, dark chocolates over here. More dark chocolate. Nice.